Salvia officinalis, the common sage or just sage, is a perennial, evergreen subshrub, with woody stems, grayish leaves, and blue to purplish flowers. It is a member of the mint family Lamiaceae and native to the Mediterranean region, though it has been naturalized in many places throughout the world. What is sage herb used for? People commonly use sage for memory and thinking skills, high cholesterol, and symptoms of menopause. It is also used for pain after surgery, lung cancer, sore throat, sunburn, and many other conditions, but there is no good scientific evidence to support these uses. What are the benefits of eating sage? 12 health benefits and uses of sage. High in several nutrients. Loaded with antioxidants. May support oral health. May ease menopause symptoms. May reduce blood sugar levels. May support memory and brain health. May lower bad LDL cholesterol. May protect against certain cancers. Is sage poisonous to humans? Some species of sage, such as common sage, Salvia officinalis, contain a chemical called thujone. Thujone can be poisonous if you get enough. This chemical can cause seizures and damage to the liver and nervous systems. How much sage should you take daily? Dosage and preparation. Sage supplements usually come in pill, gel cap, or capsule form. Doses of up to 1,000–2,000 mg per day are generally considered safe and well tolerated by healthy people. The range generally falls from 280 mg to 1,500 mg by mouth daily for up to 12 weeks.